guys, welcome back to our channel, and for those of you that are new, thank you so much for stopping by. So today I'm really excited because we are doing another unboxing video from the company MYEYEBB. They sent me a package that they wanted me to share with all of you guys. It's a new promotion that they have going on, and they wanted me to share with you what you would be getting. MYEYEBB will hold two special draws this month, one to celebrate their 4-year anniversary and a second one for their Thanksgiving special event. Make sure that you follow their IG account for more details. The event will take place starting October 6th through the 31st. They will host a giveaway for customers who spent $100 or more. They will be eligible to participate. And thank you to MYEYEBB for sponsoring this video. So to start off, you are going to be getting this really cool tumbler with the company's name and their logo. And up at the top, it has a really cool lid so that way nothing spills. When you push it down, it's like a really tight fit. Also, the top part opens up like this. You are also getting this really cute like keychain strap, and then they also sent me some contacts. So they sent me 4 different colors. So the first color is iceberg gray, iceberg green, Barbie black, that should be very interesting, and iceberg brown. So those are the colors. This is the packaging. So the iceberg brown is the only one that came in like a pink package, and there's the color and the style. And then for the other ones, it came in lavender colored boxes. They also sent the containers to put the contacts, also the applicators, and this really cute tote bag. On this side it has the name, and on this side it has the logo. I think that the color that they use is a very nice color. It's a really nice pink. It's very durable, and I think that it's a perfect gift for if you're doing a little shopping and you just want to carry a cute bag. So thank you so much for sending this to me. So now it's time to review these really cute contact lenses. Starting off with our first color, I am going to try the Barbie black. When you get them in the package, it's going to come like this. When you take them out, this is where the contacts is, and then that's how you're gonna get it. I'm just opening up the container, and this screws on. Having trouble here? Okay, got it. This should be interesting. I don't know if it'll show up in my eyes, but we will try it out. So just give me a second and I'll be right back. So what I'm going to do to review these contact lenses, I'm gonna have half of it with my natural color and then the other half with the contacts, so then that way you guys can see the difference, okay? And this is the contacts that I just tried, the Barbie black. And that is what it looks like. So it's basically black around the eye, and then it's like a honey color on the inside with like a little bit of white and maybe a little bit of gray. All right guys, this is what it looks like. I really like them. I think it's really nice. I think the black around the eye really makes the center pop. I can see myself wearing these. Guys, I really like these. These are really pretty. We are going to do the iceberg green next. And guys, I'll list colors that I have, where you can get them, and all the information for this promotion will be down in the description box. Alright guys, this is what it looks like, and I'm sorry I didn't do the before and after, but I will do it in a little bit. But this is the color. This color is gorgeous. It's so pretty. Quite honestly, if I was the one picking these, picking out the colors, I don't think I would have gravitated to the colors that were sent to me. So thank you so much again, MYEYEBB, for sending me these colors. They're definitely beautiful. So this is like a blue, but like at the same time it has like, I don't know how to explain it to you. It's like an aqua blue, but it has a little bit of green in it. It's really pretty. I think if my eyes were just a little bit more bolder, like if my makeup was a little bit more bolder, like around like the eyes, it would definitely pop out. So I don't know, maybe in the future I'll do a video like that where I play with my makeup a little bit and I emphasize these eyes, but I think it's really pretty. Okay, so this is the difference. So the next color that we're gonna do is Iceberg Gray. All right guys, this is my natural eye again, and this is what it looks like with it on. I'm gonna put the other one on so then that way you guys can see like the full look. This is the Iceberg Gray. This one's very, very light. It's not bad. I don't know if I'm a fan of it, but it is very pretty. I just feel like it's just missing like maybe around the outside of the eye. I think that it should have maybe like black or something, like a color more darker just to really like emphasize it, but it's not a bad color. I feel like, again, if my makeup was a little bit more different, I would definitely want my eyes to pop, so I think I would do like a black eyeliner like around the eye to really like zone in on that color. But for the most part, it is very pretty. Like I said, these are colors that I would have never selected. This is really fun, the colors that they decided to have me review. Okay, and for the last color, we are going to do the Iceberg Brown. And guys, this should be interesting because look at the color. It's like an orangey color. Let's see how it will look on my eyes. Okay guys, so this is my natural eye color and this is the Iceberg Brown. So it's like I told you, it has like an orangey color to it. I think that I would use this one more. This is more of like a natural look. It just highlights the brown. I think that's really pretty. It has like browns and oranges and yellows, so I'll be right back. I'm gonna put on the other one. This is what it looks like. The color is very nice. The only thing is I noticed that the contact is a little bit more bigger than my actual like eyeball. But it is very pretty. I don't know if you guys can see that. I think it's really nice. The good thing about these contacts is that they feel very comfortable. They're not irritating my eyes. And that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, make sure to give this video a like. Also subscribe and hit that notification bell so that way you don't miss out on any of our videos. Also make sure to follow us on all the other social media platforms like TikTok, Facebook, and Instagram, because I'll post things that you may not see here. So definitely head over there because I'm trying to see if I grow on those social media platforms. And guys, as always, thank you so much for your love and for your support and for watching our videos. I really appreciate it. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.